Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a keyboard in Facemoji. First, open your device's main settings application. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once inside, look for the System or General Management option, which typically manages device-wide settings. Then, tap on Languages and Input or Keyboard and Input methods to access your keyboard configurations. This initial step sets the stage for managing all your installed keyboards. Next, within the Languages and Input menu, you will need to select Virtual Keyboard or On-Screen Keyboard. This action reveals a comprehensive list of every keyboard application currently installed on your device. Carefully scroll through this list until you find Facemoji Keyboard. It should be clearly labeled among the other keyboard options. Identifying Facemoji here is crucial for proceeding with its removal. Once you have located Facemoji Keyboard in the list, tap on it to open its individual settings page. On this screen, you will typically find an option to either delete or uninstall the keyboard. Some devices might offer a toggle switch to simply disable it. If a confirmation pop-up appears, asking if you are sure you want to remove it, tap Yes or Confirm to proceed. This action initiates the removal process. After confirming the deletion, navigate back to the virtual keyboard list. Take a moment to verify that Facemoji Keyboard is no longer displayed among your active keyboards. If by chance it still appears, a simple restart of your device often resolves the issue, fully clearing any lingering data. Congratulations! You have now successfully removed the Facemoji Keyboard, freeing up device resources and simplifying your keyboard choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.